welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to publish healthcare articles on WordPress using AI agent. So as a content creator, my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new detail over here on my Airtable account, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the article. And after generating the article, automatically that should be posted as a new post on my WordPress account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Airtable account with my OpenAI account and WordPress using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate and publish healthcare articles on your WordPress blog using an AI agent. This will help you save your time, keep your blog active, and help you reach more readers effortlessly. Alright, so as you all know that I manage a healthcare blog on WordPress, and regularly publishing informative articles is important to keep my audience engaged and build trust. But writing and uploading articles manually takes a lot of time. So by using an AI agent, I can automatically generate the healthcare articles and publish them directly on my WordPress site. This saves me hours of work and ensures my blog stays active with fresh, helpful content for readers. It also helps me maintain consistency and reach more people without the hassle of creating and posting everything by hand. Alright, so here on the screen you can see my Airtable account, and here you can see the base that I've already created with the name articles and the table created with the content. So now here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to add a new detail over here in this table, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the article. And after generating the article, automatically that should be shared as a new post on my WordPress account. Alright, so now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Airtable account with my OpenAI account and my WordPress account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as publish healthcare articles on WordPress using AI agent. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Airtable, as I am adding my new details in Airtable, and here I'm going to select my trigger event as new record, so that when I'm going to add a new record over here in my table, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my table with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Airtable account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Airtable. And here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access, so I'm going to add all resources over here, and then I'm going to select my base over here that I've created with the name articles, and then I'm going to click on this grant access. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the base name. So I've already shown you that I have my base with the name article. So I'm going to select that. And here after selecting the base name, I'm going to select the table that I've created with the name content. And now after selecting all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to add a new detail over here in my add table. So let me add the details. Alright, so here I've successfully added the details. Let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the keywords, and here you can see the blog topic as well. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Airtable is a polling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 10 minutes. And now here if you wish to set this trigger time, then you need to click on the three dots, and from here you need to select set trigger time. And then a dialog box is going to appear in front of you. So from here you can select the trigger time. So I'm going to set the minimum trigger time as 10 minutes and maximum you can set it as 24 hours. So I've selected the minimum trigger time, and then I'm going to click on this save. And with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So now after setting up the trigger, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to generate a new article based on the title added over here. So I'm going to generate the article using OpenAI. So for that I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, it should generate a ready to post article for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in API keys you can see all the existing keys available over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is article, and then I'm going to select the project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the models available. So I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the model as per your need. And now after selecting the AI model, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper article for me. So let me add the relevant prompt. Alright, so here I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as blog topic and SEO keywords. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new response through our Airtable, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the topic, and here for the keywords I'm going to map the relevant keywords. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message content generated over here. That means the entire article generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the article, I'm going to post this article as a new post on my WordPress account. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as WordPress, and here I'm going to select my action event as create a post, so that after generating the article, that should be shared as a new post on my WordPress account. And now here to connect my WordPress with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WordPress account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the WordPress username, password and the base URL over here. And once you're going to add the details, you need to click on the save and you are good to go. For now, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my WordPress account with Pabbly Connect in some previous automations. Alright, so I've selected the existing connection, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the post type. So I'm going to select the post type as post over here, and here for the post title I'm going to map the title added over here in our Airtable. So this is the title. Here for the post content I'm going to map the content generated by OpenAI. Moving forward, here this slug expert and some other details are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the status I'm going to select draft. You can select it as published, future, pending, private as well. Alright, so moving forward, here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new post over here on our WordPress account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move to the post. And here under post, you can see the post that we have just right now drafted with the same title name. So let me open it for you. Alright, and here you can see all the entire post generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our automation over here. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Airtable and our action as OpenAI and WordPress. So that whenever a new record is added over here on our Airtable, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the healthcare articles. And after generating the article automatically, that is going to be shared as a new post on our WordPress account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to publish healthcare articles on WordPress using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.